I will show you how to get the best CPU of your life. But to truly appreciate the marvel of modern processors, we need to take a step back and understand the journey of one of the most influential companies in the tech world, AMD. And it all started with a company that was down but never out. AMD, or Advanced Micro Devices, was founded in 1969 and has had its fair share of ups and downs. Despite facing numerous challenges, the company always had a vision to innovate and push the boundaries of technology. Let's dive into AMD's epic comeback. Over the decades, AMD has released a variety of products, from graphics cards to processors, each iteration bringing them closer to their goal of technological excellence. In the early 2000s, AMD was struggling. The tech landscape was dominated by Intel, and AMD's CPUs were often seen as the underdog. Their processors were plagued with performance issues and inefficiencies, making it difficult for them to compete. Their CPUs were lagging behind Intel's, riddled with performance issues and inefficiencies. This led to a significant loss of market share and a decline in consumer confidence. Many tech enthusiasts and professionals started to look elsewhere for more reliable and powerful options. Enthusiasts started to look elsewhere. Forums and tech reviews were filled with discussions about the superiority of Intel's processors, leaving AMD in a precarious position. But AMD didn't throw in the towel. Instead of giving up, they saw this as an opportunity to reinvent themselves. The engineers and developers at AMD went back to the drawing board, determined to create something revolutionary. They went back to the drawing board. Countless hours were spent in labs and meeting rooms, brainstorming and sketching out new ideas. The goal was clear: to develop a CPU that could not only compete with Intel but surpass it. The team worked tirelessly, often burning the midnight oil. They knew that the future of AMD depended on their ability to innovate and deliver a product that could change the game. Fast forward to 2017, AMD launched the Ryzen series. This was a pivotal moment in the company's history. The Ryzen CPUs were built on the new Zen architecture, a result of years of research and development. Ryzen CPUs were a game-changer, built on the new Zen architecture. This new design offered significant improvements in performance and efficiency, making Ryzen a formidable competitor in the CPU market. They offered higher performance at lower costs, shaking up the market. The introduction of Ryzen CPUs forced consumers and industry experts to take notice. Suddenly, AMD was no longer the underdog but a serious contender. Suddenly, AMD was back in the game, and tech enthusiasts took notice. Reviews and benchmarks highlighted the impressive performance of Ryzen CPUs, and the tech community was abuzz with excitement. With each new Ryzen release, AMD continued to innovate, pushing boundaries and forcing Intel to rethink its strategy. The company didn't rest on its laurels. Instead, they continued to refine and improve their processors, setting new standards in the industry. Today, Ryzen is synonymous with power, efficiency, and value. AMD's relentless pursuit of excellence has paid off, and Ryzen CPUs are now a top choice for gamers, professionals, and tech enthusiasts alike. Proving that comebacks are not just for the movies. AMD's journey is a testament to the power of perseverance and innovation. Their story is an inspiration to anyone facing challenges, showing that with determination and hard work, anything is possible. AMD's journey from flawed CPUs to Ryzen dominance is nothing short of inspiring. It's a story of resilience, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. And as we look to the future, one thing is clear: AMD is here to stay, continuing to shape the world of technology. The future looks bright for AMD. With a strong foundation and a commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible, AMD is poised to continue its legacy of innovation and excellence. From humble beginnings to industry leader, AMD's story is a testament to the power of vision, hard work, and relentless pursuit of excellence. Here's to the future of AMD and the incredible innovations yet to come.